Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. 𝗕𝗏𝗵 Sarma and the 𝗕𝗏𝗵 IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Menteri 𝗕𝗬𝗥𝗡𝗜𝗏 𝗕𝗠𝗵𝗏 baketenatkan penklan bat pet benia biang ye kejing donkam hagija kesumar bernihat ak distrik Ribhoi. Hadin kejing betha jong yang syari Meghalaya High Court. Hadin kejing let jurep belang bat kakenhuan balapha da yang syari bat ketenat kakoi-kakya. Menteri uleto bak yang syari kelabetha ban penbiang mardor ye kejing donkam bakongsan kum ke X-ray machine bagi technician rengkat badu specialist na kebenta kejing pangsyadam. Uba wailat miki sela ulah pentikna bakat tenat kelada betha iki bor 𝗕𝗵𝗵𝗵 ban pendap bat penbiang ye kejing donkam kloi kat bala. Watla ka yang syari kala penpau kejing duna dari uba wailat miki sela ulah pensyai bagi data bakat tenat kadan mentakim pen iya kano kejing long ke bapalat ne ka bakra hodok kata-kata kom bala penpau hakakai pot. Ule tu bah bernihat keladon lupa ka 𝗕𝗫𝗂𝗃𝗁 ke baju ajing syakri higisnam ki belalet ke sorkar kadang temu ban kenteu kerdan no eka. Menteri ulepen skam bakat tenat kan toket benia ban sengutu ekejing pair jeng ki data batkan terekam holo kejing betha jong ke yang syari Meghalaya High Court batkan sawanra ek report ke basyai hadin kejing pensisha bat kejing wat ke benia.
The direction from the Honorable High Court, and they have directed that a team, they have set a team, and then they have sent our people also from the health department, and then to check about our health facilities in the 𝗕𝗏𝗏 area, and they have done that, and then right now I don't know like how that data they have got it. But according to our data present with the health facilities, it's not up to that number. No doubt there are some cases, but not up to that level. So after the inspection, so they have given some direction to the health department, especially to have this X-ray and this technician and also the specialist, chest specialist, and also, and we are we are abiding by that, and then we are trying to we have directed from the health department also that all the requirement to be done as soon as possible. Right now, because we have not got any conclusive evidence, because like I said, because all this time we have our health facilities over there, we have our in 𝗕𝗏𝗏 we have this CSC over there where we are planning to upgrade. So there from the because all this time we used to receive the data, but the data was not alarming as such, which the Honorable High Court is mentioning. So definitely we gonna verify it this along with it. So that's why, and at the same time, like I already mentioned, that they have directed us that after the inspection that we need to set up certain things over there, so which we gonna do that, we have directed already, and then we have to see now I think we have to, from the health department, we have to check that from where the Honorable High Court has got this data. So definitely we're gonna work on that, and then we'll try to verify and come up with a report.